What is up, guys? Eric here from Racer Man Fam, and today we're working back on the 4-liter stroker V6 for my 2005 Dodge Magnum. If you've seen my last video, I don't even know where I left off. I haven't made a video in a pretty long time, but the engine is pretty much assembled. I got it 90% of the way done. We got the big cams in it. We got the heads ported and polished. We're still working on the lower intake port polishing. We're waiting on the dowel pin for the crankshaft, but everything else has been gone through and replaced. I set oil clearances. The mains I set to like 2000s. The rods I set to a little bit under 2000s, and piston ring gaps I set like 22 thousandths top piston ring and 24 thousandths bottom piston ring. Piston, the cylinder wall clearance is 4 thousandths. I could sit here and put out numbers all the time, but what it comes down to it is I got the motor 90% put together. What we got to do today is actually install the rocker arms, get those clean. I'm gonna put the covers on. Again, we're waiting on that dowel pin to put the timing belts on, but we're gonna paint the motor green today. So yeah, we're painting the motor green wherever the paint is, right there. So yeah, guys, just a little update on the stroker V6. It's going in pretty soon. This project's probably going to be done very soon. We'll be wrapping this up. Well, it's green. It looks like a military engine now. Yeah, JT picked this color out, so I don't know. I've never painted a motor. Usually I just clean them up, put them in. So it's green. Taped everything off that we need to tape off, like the exhaust ports, intake ports, all the spark plug holes. I don't know, just a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. Oil filter goes, injector bosses, dipstick, anything and everything that we need to tape off. So yeah, it's green. I think it'll look a lot better when it's got other stuff bolted to it, but for now it's very green. So we got the headers bolted on, we got the motor finished painted, we got the differential on, the front differential, we got a bunch of random brackets on, we got the coil packs in, we got a bunch of other stuff, and here it is. It's like a Hulk green. I don't know, I think it looks pretty good though. It's gonna look good with the contrast of the lower and the upper intake manifold being black. But yeah, look at these sweet stainless steel headers, shorties, because you can't get long tubes for this guy. I wish you could, otherwise they would be on here. Front diff is on, brackets are on, dipsticks, tubes in, coil packs in, plugs are in, knock sensor in. We just got some other stuff to do. The lower intake manifold, I have to finish porting and polishing. I got the top just started here. I gotta finish this guy. I ran out of bits, so I had to get more bits on that guy. But yeah, the motor looks sweet. It's like the friggin' Hulk. But yeah, we need to get a PCV valve, different thermostat. We just need a bunch of little miscellaneous stuff, but we are almost done and we are kicking butt. Pretty soon we will be stabbing it onto the transmission, stabbing it onto the K-member, and putting it in the car. But yeah, guys, I'm excited. Hopefully you guys are excited. This thing should make some good power. I have no idea what kind of power it's gonna make. It's a 4-liter in displacement. It's got big custom ground cams in it, shorty headers, port and polished on the heads, the intake manifold, the lower intake, the upper intake, cold air intake, exhaust, all the bolt-ons. So all we're waiting for now is the actual dowel pin that aligns the timing belt sprocket on the crankshaft, which goes right there. When I hammered it out, it got all mushroomed and ruined. So we're waiting on that to put the timing belt on, and then pretty much we're done with this motor. And yeah, we did some, I showed you guys that we still need to port the lower intake. The upper intake we are sanding. We took the 3.5-liter sign off, I ground it down. Now I'm just sanding it and stuff, so we're gonna leave the V6, or I'm gonna leave the V6, and then I'm going to write stroker V6 in the green, the grabber green, that's what it's called, duplicolor grabber green, which is right here. our shorty headers, or stainless shorty headers. What else? I don't know. I really want to put this supercharger on top of it. I think it'd be the sickest thing ever, this M90 supercharger popping out the hood on top. But we'll have to wait for that, I think, for another day. I think we're gonna run this NA for a while and then put the supercharger on it in the future, possibly. But yeah guys, motor's coming together. It looks great. I'm excited. Hopefully you guys are too. But we're gonna call this a video. Sorry about not posting in so long. I hope this guys give a little update of what's going on with the baby hauler Magnum. And yeah guys, as always, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.